Hello here, I am Jakir. In this video, I will talk about Hive Micro. Several times I get payment from this website, so no doubt the site pay you. Okay, you just need a verified PayPal account. You can earn money from computer or by download their application from Apple Store or Google Play Store. So you can earn from both computer or your smartphone. Okay. At first you jump to the Google and search by type Hive Micro. The first link you click here and then this page appear in front of you, and now you need to sign up for first time joining. You click here, start earning now. This is the overall outlook of the Hive Micro site details. Here are various kind of job available. A lot of ton of job available. I will show you after login. Okay, categorization job, bounding box, audio transcription, etc. etc. Okay, so when you click the sign up button, they jump to this page, and if you not yet sign up, so then you need to fill up this form. I not waste the time by fill up the form because I think you know it. First your full name, email address, and create password, confirm password, and select your country, then select your language and add not robot. Maybe you need to a digital signature by clicking mouse, or if you doing it from your smartphone, then by touching in screen you can digital signature. Okay, then submit it. Okay, maybe need to verify because I am not remember everything because before 2 years I create the account. Okay, so after create the account you need to log in. So this is my account. There is a lot of tasks available, many tasks available. You can add them as suitable for you. Okay, various kind of tasks available, and remember there is a number of hit available. Every tax they indicate the number of hit available and the rate per 1000 tax. Okay, here showing you the rate per 1000 tax. Here you can see $18 per 1000 tax, $2.5 per 1000 tax, and $7 per 1000 tax. There is some easy tax, very low payout. You can do it or you can avoid it. Okay, you can attempt high payout rate tax. Then you need to select here difficulty or salary. If you click the salary, then higher salary to lower salary. Okay, and if you click payroll, then they show you the payout method and minimum payout. At first it was minimum payout $2, but nowadays that changed their payment setting, and now minimum payment $10. Okay, 3 times I get payment from this website. Okay, and if you click leaderboard, many people doing tax here. You can show here last day someone earned $40, someone $36, $33, $28. Okay, and if I click last week, then $103, $93, $88, $87. This is not fake because I was make a video before a long time. You can check there. My name was appear in this list in the video. I saw that. Okay, so you can check there. So no doubt everything is real. Okay, and if you click all time, then show you the all time. Yasmin $4,182. Okay, statistics show you your performance of this work. Okay, so now click again as job. After sign up, you need to update your payment setting. You need to provide your PayPal ID. Okay, and for as the video title I told you the qualification tips. Remember, for each tax you need to qualify first. Okay, so during qualify time you need to note the actual answer. You may wrong first time when you attempt every tax, but if you note the answer key, then next time when you attempt, same question will be repeated, so that's easy for you to qualify. As like if I attempt for this web, what is in store, I click here, start task, next, I note the answer key. Okay, so I show you how easily you can qualify the tax. Okay, this is the tax. Now I just copy and paste here, next. Okay, next. So this is the method you can qualify easily. Okay, so I not want to make the video more lengthy, so I hope it's make you understand how you qualify. Okay, same question will be repeated, that is the plus point, you can qualify easily. Okay, as I said, they already payment me 3 times, so no doubt they will pay you. Okay, one thing I forget to say, if you not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, because in this channel I regularly post online earning website related video, and at first I work on this website, then I get payment, then I make video. Okay, so no doubt for payment. I hide several parts in the display because everything is confidential. I cannot show everything in this video. Okay, I hope it's enough for make you understand how to qualify easily from from hivemicro any tax, because the main thing is they repeated the qualification text question, serially repeated. So, and remember, every task you cannot complete in the front of your family, because there is some adult kind of tax. So I will show you which are adult tax. I will show you which are adult tax. So you avoid the tax, or you complete it when you are alone. Okay, this is the last question of the test. I paste the answer and click next, and that's it. Okay, so this is the easiest way to qualify in hivemicro. Okay, now I told you which kind of tax you need to avoid to complete in the front of your family. At first you need to filter some tax. Filters, then NSFW, not safe for work. Okay, without, first you click without NSFW, that's mean the adult content type tax not appear in your job board. Okay, and if you click here and cut it, and again I click here with NSW, then only show you that kind of tax. Okay, the symbol indicate you the adult content type tax. Adult content may appear during the tax. Okay, I think everything I discuss in this video. If you not understand anything about this video, I mean anything about the hive work, please comment in video comment section. I will try to reply you. Okay, if you not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. Please like the video. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.